Hi children, good morning to all. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. And in the previous class, we have discussed the grammar topic from our lesson 2, the wolf and the little goats. What was that topic? Yes, simple past tense. How to identify a tense in a sentence? Yes, we need to check the verb. So in simple past tense we can add d or ed with the verb to make it past. Simple past tense we can add d or ed with the verb to make it past. And today let us discuss lesson 3, the elves and the shoemaker, and the grammar topic of that lesson, that is adjectives. This topic that you have already learned from class 1. What is another name of adjective? Yes, describing word. And what do you mean by adjective? Adjectives describe more about a noun. Adjectives are describing words which add meaning to a sentence. It describes either a noun or a pronoun. Maybe its color, number, size, shape, all these are included in the adjective. And we can see some examples.
Adjectives are describing words. Words that describe the quality of a person, animal, place or thing are called adjectives. Words for numbers, colors, size and shape are also adjectives. Smart boy, green parrot, big hall, round ball, one hen and two chicks. So adjectives, it describes quality, color, size, shape and number. We have seen the examples. An adjective also describes how someone or something looks, tastes, feels, smells or sounds like. An adjective also describes how someone or something looks, tastes, feels, smells or sounds like. Beautiful girl, salty chips, soft pillow, fresh fragrance, loud music. See the example, beautiful girl. Here, beautiful describes the looks of the girl. Salty chips. Here, salty describes the taste of the chips. Soft pillow. Here, soft describes the feel of the pillow. Fresh fragrance. Here, fresh describes the fragrance of the perfume. Loud music. Here, loud describes the sound of the music.
Take up different sentences and try to finding out adjective in those sentences. And one more topic that we have studied in this lesson, that is punctuation marks. We know different types of punctuation marks like full stop, comma, semicolon, exclamation mark, question mark. In this lesson we have studied the punctuation mark, question mark and exclamation mark. See children, a sentence, it asks a question, it ends with a question mark. A sentence, it asks a question, it ends with a question mark. For example, what's your name? It asks a question. So we must put a question mark at the last. And we can see some examples.
Question mark. Question mark, you can see the symbol in the bracket. A sentence that asks a question ends with a question mark. We can see the example. Who won the quiz competition? This sentence asks a question, so that we need to put a question mark at the end. See another example. How many cookies did you eat? The sentence, it asks a question, that's why there is a question mark at the end of that sentence. Another examples. What color is the dog? Will you play with me?
What do you mean by exclamation mark? What is the symbol? Yes, a straight line and put a dot below that one. We can use exclamation mark at the end of a word or a sentence. It shows strong feelings like happiness, sadness, surprise, anger. Is it, children?
Exclamation mark. We use exclamation mark at the end of a word or a sentence to show strong feelings such as surprise, anger, or joy. See the example. Wow, what a cute baby. Second one, alas, the cat is dead. So exclamation mark we can use at the end of a word or a sentence to show surprise, shock, excitement or a strong feeling. Here the examples. Hooray, we did it again. Second one, what an enjoyable party.
Today we have discussed the grammar topic, adjectives and another topic, punctuation mark from our lesson 3. You must do the worksheet that I attached with the classroom and attend the test. We can meet with a new topic and till then take care, stay safe. Thank you.